Hi everybody. Over the last 3 weeks, since 23rd of March up until the 10th of April, we are seeing definitely an uprising stock market. The Dow Jones Industrial Average raised from 18,000 to up above 23,700. In the same time, we are watching bad news after bad news. So what's going on the stock markets right now? So before we go any further, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and ring the notification bell. Thank you. Also, please check my video, did the stock market hit the bottom 2020? Okay, over the last days, as I said, we are watching news like this. US shares see their biggest weekly gain in 46 years. In the same time, the coronavirus, US death toll passes 2,000 in a single day. Also, US stock rallied despite record unemployment claims. The unemployment is rising already above 6 million unemployed. Why this happening? In the same time, we are seeing bad news, and the market continues to goes up and up. You see, this is a big rally, of course, starting from 18,000 up to 23,000 in Dow Jones Industrial Average. For those of you who have not so much experience on the financial markets, this may seem like pretty crazy, or it doesn't make sense, but actually it makes pretty much sense. It's pretty normal. How is this so? This is the old rule: buy the rumors, sell the fact, or in other words, buy the expectations and sell the news. In this case, we've got bad news, and we are seeing buying on the stock market. What is the most important? When you are taking a look at the charts, you're gonna see much more sense in what's happening. Before this rally, we have to pay attention to this big fall from almost 29,000 in the index up until going down to 18,000. This is more than 30% decreasing in the stock market. This is the big movement in 1 month, starting from the around 20th of February until 20th of March. In 1 month, there was a huge falling down in the stock prices. So okay, let's try to analyze what happened on the stock market. So after this big falling down from almost 30,000 down to 18,000 in Dow Jones Industrial Average, many of the long-term investors, the investors with a huge amount of money, they have decided that actually the prices are already pretty attractive. They know, why is that? They know that sooner or later we're gonna see, let me just clean up a bit the chart. They know that sooner or later these stock prices are going to recover from this down move, and this is going to give them a chance for huge profits. This fall was at about roughly 30%, which means if they succeed to buy around these levels, that this will means if the prices, and they know that sooner or later these stock prices will recover after this pandemic recession, they will have the chance for taking a profit at about 30%, and they will wait patiently until this happened, and they are using this opportunity right now to start buying. So let's take a look again at this up movement over the last 3 weeks. So my point of this in this video is why is this happening? We are seeing bad news, and in the same time we are seeing up movement in the stock prices. Actually, this is pretty normal. Most probably you've heard this rule: buy the rumors, sell the fact, or also it's better off to say buy the expectations and sell the news. We are seeing bad news, like new deaths caused by this virus, and in the same time we are seeing buying. We are seeing huge increasing in the unemployment, and in the same time we see that long-term investors are buying. This is because they think differently from most of the vast majority of the small investors. They know that who are they going to buy from these stocks. If you put, let's say, 300 million order for buying 300 million shares, you know that you are going to cause a big price movement up, and when we have a bad news, this is the best time when they can use this small downward movement in the prices, and they can buy relatively cheap their stocks that they intend to keep for a long term. That is why it is pretty usual what is happening. For those of you that are for a long time on the financial markets, that they got used to this. But for the new investors, this seems a bit pretty unusual. I saw many comments in internet. Many of them, they are discussing that this doesn't make sense, that we are seeing bad news and in the same time up movement in the stock prices, but actually it's pretty normal. So guys, it's better off to learn before start investing. Okay, please once again subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and ring the notification bell. Also, once again, please check my previous video about did the market hit the bottom for 2020. Actually, I will avoid to make any conclusions about my expectations, because actually this 3-week upward movement, actually it looks more like a ABC correction instead of second and third wave. So but this is for now. Take care, and see you in the next video.